The available remote start or remote climate start feature on your Hyundai can be controlled in multiple ways. To use the feature with the Smart Key, first ensure that you're within the Smart Key's operating range, which is approximately 32 feet. Lock the car. Then, within 4 seconds, press and hold the remote start button on the Smart Key until the red light atop the remote blinks. The hazard lights will flash and the vehicle will turn on. If the climate control was on when you last operated the vehicle, it will operate at the last settings and temperature. To turn off the vehicle remotely, press the remote start button once. The vehicle will also turn off automatically if you do not get into the vehicle within 10 minutes of turning it on. To use remote start or remote climate start with the MyHyundai with Bluelink app, you must have an active Bluelink subscription that includes the remote package, or a Bluelink Plus account that has the advanced package. Open the app and then select Start or Climate Start, depending on your vehicle. You can start your vehicle, and on vehicles with automatic climate control, set whether you want the climate control to operate and at which temperature. Select Edit Settings to adjust the climate control settings. You can also set how long you wish the vehicle to run. Set the front and rear defrosters to operate, and set the steering wheel to warm and the seats to warm or ventilated if available. For vehicles and phones that utilize Digital Key Premium, you can use the digital key to operate Climate Start on the vehicle when you are in close proximity. For any remote start method to work, the vehicle must have the hood, liftgate or trunk and doors all closed and locked. And the vehicle must be in park. And for remote start using Bluelink to work, the vehicle must have been started using the ignition within the last 4 days, and your mobile device and the vehicle must both have cellular reception. Also, if the vehicle is not an EV or plug-in hybrid, you should not use remote start if the vehicle is in an enclosed garage or other small enclosed area. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at MyHyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, MyHyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.